Mind is always afraid. Only of one thing, and that is your heart. Because mind is basically meant to be a servant, but he has managed to become the master. And the heart, which was going to be the master, has not even bothered to interfere and has allowed the mind to remain the master. But the mind is aware that any moment the heart wants, his mastery is gone. So whenever the heart wants to say something, fear arises in the mind. Mind is very much afraid of love. Mind is very much afraid of trust. Mind is very much afraid of anything that has to do with the heart, because its mastery is not part of the nature. Heart is naturally the master. But this is the problem, because the heart feels its mastery so definitely, with such a certainty, that it never asserts itself. There is no need. It is an intrinsic knowing in the heart that mind can be pushed aside any moment, and mind knows it perfectly well, that he is just a servant, because the master is too gentlemanly and has allowed even the servant to pretend to be the master. But a servant is a servant. So whenever your heart wants to say something, the mind starts feeling shaky. It wants the heart to remain completely dead. It wants man to become completely heartless. And it has succeeded all over the world to make people heartless. But once in a while, few people escape from the slavery of the mind and start asserting the rights of their heart. This is the greatest revolution there is. The revolution by the heart against the mind.